Hello guys, this is going to be a bit of a different video. I wanted to take you along with me as we got our new couch and unboxed it. This is a channel where I like to show you a little bit of cleaning and decorating, so I thought it'd be fun to show you this new couch and how I clean up everything and transform this room into something that I am going to enjoy for many years, being able to change up my couch and decorate for all the holidays. So to start off, I got my husband to come in here and help me unbox this thing. He doesn't really show up on my videos often. He doesn't really want to, but he's gonna be in it and stuff on occasion, especially with this when he's helping me out. But he helped me unbox all these and put them together, and you'll see later in the video that I just kind of start maneuvering them around into the living room and kind of deciding how I'm gonna set them up. So I love the fact that this thing is just a bunch of cubes, so I can kind of put it any way I want.
You look cute. I look sexy.
I'm not.
Come on, babe. You know the kind of people who watch your channel.
Yeah. Right. I didn't see it.
Yeah.
Hey, come here. Want to see it?
You throw up on it, Kate? You can plot and scratch it up?
No, not at all. Okay. Just so you know, as I'm doing this voiceover, she did throw up this morning. We made it about 3 weeks though, and nobody threw up on anything, so that was actually exciting. But that's one of the reasons that I wanted this couch, was that you can take off the pillow covers and cushions and everything can be washed. So I don't have to worry about it. So for this little cleaning montage, we are going to be doing all the things. First, I'm going to be vacuuming, then I'm going to be getting out the carpet cleaner. I'm going to be using the Swiffer in some really bad areas that have been under the couch for years that I haven't cleaned. Then I'm going to get out the steam mop and give it a really good once over. And I'm also going to clean the wall behind the couch, which has not been cleaned in years, probably because I don't really move it out from behind the wall. So we're getting this room very clean, cleaner than it's been in years, so that we can make room for the new couch. I've got a new rug. We're going to make room for that too. So yeah, just sit back and listen to a little music and enjoy if you'd like. I think it's motivating to see people clean. It's kind of one of those weird things that, I don't know, it's kind of following on YouTube. So I've never done this before, but yeah, here you go. You can watch me clean for 2 or 3 minutes and listen to some nice music. So by the time I get this posted, I've already posted my Christmas videos, and you'll see that new couch already in my living room. But for those of you that may not have watched my Halloween video, I think I mentioned that my old couch broke. I was sitting there and I just kind of felt it pop under me. So I got up and I felt it pop again. So the little lounge section had broken, and we ended up giving it away, and they ended up fixing it, which is awesome for them. I like the opportunity to get this new couch anyway though, because I had this one for, I want to say like 6 years, and it was a really good couch and I really loved it and it was very comfortable. But I had been wanting a lighter colored one because that's much easier to work with decorations, and I like to change up my colors throughout the season, stuff like that. So I was looking forward to getting a new couch, and unfortunately I didn't want my old one to break, but it turned out really well because we were able to give it away to someone who wanted it, and I was able to get the new couch that I wanted to decorate around and change up things throughout the year, and it worked out well for everybody. Okay, so it is a Sunday afternoon. I just wanted to do an update on what all we've got put together so far. We got everything unboxed. The kitty cats approve of the new couch. But we got everything unboxed, kind of, sort of put together. We had like nine bottom pieces. We bought enough to make an extra chair and some couches. We still have to give away this. And then I have a rug coming next week. And then we're finally going to be able to piece this entire living room together. And I'm going to start decorating it for Christmas. And I am so excited. But yeah, here's the progress of what I've got going on right now. guys, here it is. Finally, after what, like 2 weeks, I finally have everything unboxed, put out, got the other couch removed. So I have this kind of broken up the way I'm wanting to do it for Christmas. I know it's not exactly organized, but it's the way I'm going to keep it today, at least. Hey, baby girl. I got my new rug. We've got our sectionals. I have this over here. I'm planning on putting the tree right there. Finally able to move this table back in here to where it's not smushed up against the furniture. This, I'm going to probably put 2 little trees out next to it. And I just moved this over here in the corner, and I think it's going to look so great once I start decorating. But I wanted to show how this turned out, how I'm going to leave this for the next month or 2 at least for Christmas decorations. And yeah, I hope this is maybe inspirational or enjoyable, or if you're interested in a sectional or a Rubik, maybe this will be helpful. Otherwise, I cannot wait to be able to start decorating for Christmas. So I think this is probably where I'm going to end this video, and I will see you guys next month.